In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send partner gifts on Monopoly Go. So let's dive right in. If you're a fan of Monopoly Go and eager to share the fun by sending gifts to your friends, you've come to the right place. Sending gifts in the form of stickers is a great way to engage with your friends and add an extra layer of excitement to the game. So we're going to walk through the process step by step to make sure everything is clear and straightforward. First, you want to ensure you have the Monopoly Go app open on your device. This might seem obvious, but it's always a good starting point. Once you're in the app, you'll want to look for the album icon situated at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that icon and it will take you to your collection of stickers. Now, these stickers act as the gifts that you'll be sharing with your friends. However, there's one small yet crucial detail to note. You can only send a card or sticker if you have a duplicate of it. This means if you have two or more of the same sticker sitting in your album, one of those can be sent to a friend. Now that you know this, go ahead and identify a card that you have duplicates of. Once you've located a duplicate card, simply tap on it. This will bring up an option that allows you to send it as a gift. You'll see the option to send to friend displayed on your screen. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. At this point, you will be presented with a list of your friends who are also playing Monopoly Go. Scroll through your list and select the friend you wish to send your sticker or gift to. When you find the right friend, tap on Select next to their name. And just like that, your duplicate sticker will be sent off to brighten their day and maybe even help them complete their collection. You've successfully shared the joy of Monopoly Go through sending a partner gift. And there you have it. That's the entire process. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that you're now ready to send gifts to all your Monopoly Go friends. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, or if it helped you out, please don't forget to give it a like. Also, consider subscribing for more helpful content like this. Happy gifting, and see you in the next video.